Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is how to use Bing ads to boost your business. But before we dig in, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We really appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. How to use Bing ads to boost your business. From display ads to video ads, from site links ads to callout ads, from keyword ad extensions to location extensions, and many other types of ads in Bing ads, there are ample options for advertisers. But with all these different advertising tools available within Bing ads, how do you choose which ones will work best for your business? This article will provide tips on how to use Bing ads as a powerful marketing tool that can help grow your business. To create a campaign, sign into your Bing ads account at the Bing ads dashboard. The first step in using Bing ads is to find ways to use the platform effectively. For example, if you have been using Bing ads for a while, and you have your Google Ads ad set to the default settings, you might notice that the ad copy in Bing ads is slightly different, and this ties in with Bing ads' goal of leveraging and augmenting on the search engine's strong brand image and user trust to drive more conversions. To do this, you can use Bing ads intelligence tools to discover how to best use the platform. Bing ads intelligence tools let you find the right audience for your business and help you optimize your ad copy and creativity to maximize your return on investment from your ad spend. One way to use Bing ads to help with this is by using the Bing ads audience report to find the best audience for your business. The Bing ads audience report can help you find the best audience for your business based on factors such as location, device, language, browser type, and more. Site links ads are ads that show up when the user enters a URL that starts with the advertiser's ad title and ad copy. The user experience of a site link ad is useful because it tells the user that they have already been to the website they were just browsing on and provides an easy path to the product the user wants. With Bing ads, you can create site links ads. The user experience of a site link ad is also useful because it tells the user where they can click to go for the information they need. Video ads are perfect for reaching highly targeted audiences who are most likely to convert to customers. With the ability to create video ads that last up to 15 seconds, you have the luxury of showing users a product in action without having to rely on a written description to explain the benefits of the product. There are also custom audiences that allow you to create a video ad that targets a specific person such as an executive or a manager. With video ads, you can also create ads that lead viewers to purchase a product by letting them try it for free. Callout ads let you create ads that drive conversions from leads. With callout ads, you can create an ad that directs users to click on a specific action within your website that corresponds to an offer you have already put on your website. Callout ads are useful for targeting leads because they provide a clear path to converting the user to a purchase. With so many different ad options available in Bing ads, it can be difficult to know where to start. However, the best way to utilize the vast amount of features and tools available in Bing ads is to start by using Bing ads intelligence tools to discover where to begin. With experience, you will be able to create more effective ads for your business and hopefully gain more customers. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.